vector character. So some closing thoughts as you finish your outline. First of which, let's like super triple check. It is too late at this point, but better to know now, I guess, than it gets even worse later. Let's check our layers and make sure our outline was done on a separate layer than the stock photo. Right here on the right side of Illustrator is where the layers can be found. Alternatively, if something is really weird with your Illustrator and you can't find it, go up to the top where it says Window in like these top menus here, and then look for Layers. It is in alphabetical order, so just go down and hit Layers. And then make sure, like again, hopefully I went over this and jammed this one into your brains, but locking the stock photo layer will literally disable you from drawing a line on it, and then you can tell the outline is selected because of the blue highlight by it. All right, so I'm actually going to leave this open because I kind of want to show you some stuff while I have the layer windows open. These eyeballs, it can show and hide layers. If I click on that, the photo is gone and bring it back. The most important thing I think I want to go over with this is this box right here that you kind of like very lightly see with that light black outline is our actual canvas. Anything outside of that, you, the designer, will see. Like if I draw something out here, we can see it, or you, the designer, can see it, but it will not print. So even though the photo exceeds the canvas, there's stuff out there that won't print. In correlation to that, and why I'm mentioning that at all really right now, is each gap is going to be painted a different color. Around the sides, like where the cape ended right here, I just kind of drew it off the canvas. But if I were to leave it like this, when I go and click paint bucket in here, it's not only it won't just paint everywhere, it literally won't work. Illustrator will come up saying like it's not a full object because it's not enclosed. So what you want to do is you want to just go around and make sure that you connect these dots around, around the sides of your canvas. This way you know for certain that they are full objects, because it will still color them even outside the canvas. It's just that it won't print when it's all said and done. So I'm going to take like this, and you can make them pretty sloppy. Like you can do something like that where it goes over the sides. But by doing that, it ensures that the section is therefore closed like that, and then you can go ahead and paint each individual one. So I'm scrolling around all sides just to double check that I've gotten that taken care of. Some other things to do with this one is it's been quite the challenge with how low res my photo was. So hopefully we watch this ahead of time and prove that it is still doable with a really, really pixelated photograph such as this. But it does present some challenges, whereas my Bloodhound character from Apex was a lot easier to do because the photo was super high resolution. So does it disable you from doing this? No. Does it make it noticeably more challenge? Yes. So FYI, as you're, maybe you're wanting to go back to a different photo based on quality. Now again, stock photo won't be in the final result at all, so it'll be all right. So anyway, once you are done your outline, this is essentially, what it should look like, and then you're ready to go for the next step in our next video. I just wanted to make this to kind of touch base and show you what a completed outline will look like. You can either leave the stock photo hidden or not for this, and then you're going to go to File and Save, and I will see you guys in the next video going over how to color. Take care.